June the 7th, 2020. Guys, a very quick update. Just to show you the size of the storm, you're looking at Pensacola Beach a few minutes ago at 4:23 Central Time. Then if we come over to Mississippi, and which is in Bay St. Louis, that webcam at the Silver Slippers is real close to the Louisiana line, and you can't tell much about it. If you look very closely, you can see the waves there in the very top of the Silver Slipper Casino there. But if you go to New Orleans, right now it's dry. Just to look at the Bourbon Street webcam, they've been getting waves of rain, and along the coast it's been really rough. But things are going to change here sometimes during the night. Pumps are working. Looks like everything's kind of shut down. It already was, but now there's not much traffic at all. What we're dealing with, Cristobal has turned north. Remember the video earlier today, it had turned right, and it looks like it's looping around the Mississippi Peninsula, or the river of the Mississippi Peninsula, as best it can, trying to stay offshore. But right now, and it amazes me how close some of the models were, the Navy model and the Canadian model, that this thing would come in at the mouth of the Mississippi River over a week ago. And that's what we're seeing right now. Now it's headed north. Guys, from Florida to Alabama and Mississippi, tornadoes have been out today. Started over in Pascagoula in Mississippi, and then in Gulfport there were two up around the Orange Grove areas. Now they were radar tornadoes, and they put out the warnings. I've seen no confirmation of ground spotters, but the storm has definitely turned north now. These higher clouds, you see the real intense weather that's north of the storm into southern Mississippi, that is going to move into Louisiana. It's going to continue to pump. There's still high clouds behind it near the bottom of the circulation, so this is going to rotate. Remember the last video we talked about for about 2 days of this, but it has turned north. That's a good thing for it to get out of the ocean, because as long as it's in that warm water, it's going to just continue to pound everyone. But again, there were tornadoes from Jacksonville, Florida, Alabama, Pensacola had a couple warnings, I think, and then all the way across Mississippi. So Louisiana, especially north of New Orleans, up north of Lake Pontchartrain, headed over towards the Baton Rouge area, and south central and southeast Mississippi, go all the way across the state to the west side. This is just going to continue and intensify as the storm moves north now, but maybe it will pick up speed and get on out of here. We're watching it, guys. I'll watch for important updates and let you know. It's a heads up. Be safe.